Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am back with the very interesting topic of the Tableau. So in today's topic I'm going to cover the different type of filters in the Tableau. So let's begin. So very first thing, there are total 6 major type of filters into the Tableau. The first one is the extract filter, then the data source filter, then context filter, measure filter, dimension filter, and user defined filter or table filters you can say. So let's see what is mean by each filter one by one. So let's see the extract filter. So on my screen, if you see here the connection type live and extract, right? So if I hit on the extract, it will create the local copy within the Tableau with the extension of dot hyphen, and this will act as a extract filter. How? So when I use the live connection, it will be the connection between the live data source and the Tableau, right? So whatever data changes happen from backend, it will reflect on the Tableau immediately. So to avoid it, we can use the extract as a filter and extract will create the local file into the Tableau, and it will uh, create a subset of the data, or the copy of the data into the Tableau engine. So whatever change happen in backend data, it will not reflect onto the front end side. So this is how the extract filter works. The next filter is the data source filter. Okay, so let's see, I have the data with the 10 fields, and my requirement of the visualization is covering only 5 fields out of this 10. I don't need 10 uh, all 10 fields, I just need 5 fields out of the 10. So what I will do, I will click on the edit option right next to the extract connection, and here I have the filter option. So I will add a filter over here. So whatever field I don't want, I will simply select it. For example, let's say I don't need order ID, so I will select order ID, I will hit on OK, and I can select all, and I will hit on exclude. So it will exclude the order ID field itself from the data source or the backend data, whatever Tableau is loading. So Tableau will not load the order ID. Another way to do it through the wildcards, like I can put the condition like matching values, start widths, end widths, and apply. Then I have the condition also. If I have a specific condition where I want to hide the specific numbers or the rows from the specific field, I can apply it over here. I can build out the formula also and apply that condition. Also I can use the top condition like top and bottom. So based on my requirement, I can apply the filters over here. Okay, so this is how the data source filter work. If I hit on OK, okay, let me do it here. Let me select none, select formula list, okay, and okay. So if you see here, I don't see the order ID anymore here. Like if I go to here in the worksheet, then you will definitely see there is no order ID present over here. Okay, so this is how the data source filter works. So let's see how the context filter works. I want to see the list of all the cities based on the sales performance right here, and let me drag the city into the filter, right? So let's see, I applied the condition of top 10 cities based on the sum of sale, and hit on apply. So these are the list of top 10 cities based on the sales performance. And let's see, I want to state also the top 10 states who having the best sales. So I will simply drag it over here and apply on the top 10 sales as a condition, and hit apply over here and see. So now I cannot see the list of states here, so I will simply drag the states into the rows. Great. So if you see carefully, I have the 10 states and more than 10 cities, right? Or here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this is more than 10. So if I want to see the top 10 actual states only, so what I will do, I will use the context. I will add the state filter to the context of the city filter and see. Now I have the 10 state, and whatever 10 respective cities falls under this 10 state having the very good performance. If I simply remove the city from the workbench, I will see the top 10 states having the sales performance, correct? So this is how the context filter works. So let's see, the next filter is a dimension filter. Let's say I want to apply a manual selection over the city. Okay, so I will simply hit on the show filter over here, and I will modify the my selection multiple values in the drop down. Okay, so I can select any city of my choice, and I will see the sales volume for that particular city. So I will have the control over the city selection over here. So this is how the dimension filter works. Similarly, the measure filter also works. So let me remove the top 10 conditions from here. So I will be show you the how it looks like. Okay, so let me select all the cities over here. Cool. And state is no more required. So these are the all cities. Now I want to apply the filter on the measures, let's say sales, and I have the options over here whether I want to do a filtering on the sum of sale, average, median, count, and so more. So for now I'll select sum of sales, and now it will show me the select the range of the sum of sales. Okay, so I will simply apply and hit on the show filter. So now here I will have the control over the sum of the sales figures, and if I select the range, a particular range, whatever city falls under this particular sales range, I can see that in my visualization plane. So this is how the measure filter works. The next one is the table calculation one and the user filter. So it is nothing but the quick table calculation over here. If you see here, the add table calculation or quick table calculation. So if I see the running filter, running total sum, so it will look like this. It will calculate the things from back end, and you will be able to see the running sum of all the sales right here. So this is how the table filter works, and also you can show this as a filter, and you can select your choice of city across the plane. So these are all 6 different types of filters in the Tableau. Based on the requirement, we use the filter on, also we use the logic of filter to get relevant figures. Also there are lots of other things in quick table calculation. If you create the calculated field, so we have a variety of functions over here. So we can even use this function to create a customized filter. This is also falls in the table calculation or user filters. So I can use the Windows sum. Mostly in practical scenario, we use the Windows sum to select a particular range of the of the the data set we do have, right? So let's say I have the date range for 2 year 3 year of data I have, so I can use the Windows sum to select a particular time frame, and I can get the sum of sales, sum of profit, or whatever it is present in the data set. So these functions are very important in practical scenarios, or to modify the filters, the manual selection of filters. Okay, so yeah, this is all about today. So these are the 6 types of filters in the Tableau. If you hope, if you like this, you can hit on the thumbs up button, and you can share your thoughts into the comment section. Also, if you are looking for a specific topic, then you can mention that, so I will try to make the video on that also. So yeah, this is all about today. I will see you in the next video with another concept. Till then, take care. Bye bye.